Hello, everyone. This is Zoe here with Crosby Scholars Iredell County, and I'm here today to show you how to update your school information in the CrosbyConnect portal. So as you can see here, I'm already logged into the CrosbyConnect portal. If you need help logging in, that is in a separate video, but definitely go check that out. So if you need to update your school information in the portal, I'm going to show you how to do that now. When you log in, you will come to your dashboard that looks like this. In the top right-hand corner, you will see the little circle with your initials in it. And if you click on that and click My Profile, it'll take you to a page that looks like this. And this page contains all the information that you shared with Crosby when you signed up to participate in Crosby Scholars. So if you need to edit, for example, your phone number or your mailing address, maybe you moved, you can also do that from this page. But I'm going to show you how to edit school information. And so you might be thinking, what type of situation would I need to change my school information? So this applies to kind of two different types of students. So first of all, if you are changing schools over the summer or during the school year, you'll need to update your school information because Crosby Scholars won't know where you go to school now unless you tell us. So if maybe you applied for an IB program, or you moved and you're changing schools, or you're switching districts, any type of situation where you have changed schools over the summer or during the school year, you'll need to come to this page and update your school information so we know where you're currently attending school. The other type of situation where you will need to update your school is our 8th graders who become 9th graders. So over the summer, we at Crosby Scholars, we kind of promote everybody to the next grade level in our system. But when you finish middle school and you start high school, we're not always sure where you're going to high school now. And so when you are starting 9th grade, we ask all of our freshmen to log into the portal and update their school information with their high school info so that we know where you go to high school, and we can meet you with the programming that we are hosting right there at your school. So those are kind of the two main situations where you might need to update your school information. And to do that, you're going to click on this edit button in the top right-hand corner of the page. So no matter what it is, no matter what information on this page you're trying to edit, you'll need to click on this button at the top of the page to be able to do that. Once you hit that edit button, it'll open all of the different fields that you are able to change as a student in the portal. So you can update cell phone, your address, where you live, but I'm going to scroll down here to the school history section. So if you've participated in Crosby Scholars for more than 1 year, it'll show all of the grade levels that you participated in Crosby Scholars, kind of as little options right here along the top. On my profile example, I just have this year, but you might have old years there. But you'll just want to make sure that you are on the current year that you're editing. So for me, this is 9th grade. And you'll notice that this says I'm attending Oakwood, which is a middle school, as a 9th grader. That's not right. You can't be a 9th grader at a middle school. So that means I need to edit this and put in my high school information. So I'm going to click these 3 dots and hit edit. So again, make sure I'm focused on my current school year, so 9th grade, and I'm in high school now. So I'm going to switch this to high school. But maybe if you were a middle school and you were just a middle schooler and you're just transferring from one middle school to another, you won't need to do anything here. It'll already be the correct school type selected. But because I'm starting high school now, I'm going to switch this over to high school. And now you'll see I'll be able to pick from the list of high schools. So let's say maybe I go to Crossroads now. Maybe I'm at an early college. So I'm going to choose my high school from the list. Wherever you're going to high school, you're going to choose your school, or you choose your middle school from the middle school list. And then if you change districts or you need to update your student ID number for any reason, you can update that here as well. And then it has a little start date and an end date. So it'll default to say July 1st. And so if you switched schools over the summer, like you are starting ninth grade this year, so you're going from your middle school to your high school, or if you transferred to a new school over the summer, you can just leave this start date as July 1st. You don't need to change that. You'll only need to change this if you have transferred schools during the school year. Then you can pick your new start date. But once I've got my new school information loaded into the portal, I'm going to scroll all the way back up to the top of the screen and hit save. Once it's saved, you'll be able to scroll back down and you'll see, okay, now for this current school year, it looks like I'm listed at Crossroads. If you participated in Crosby Scholars in previous years, those will still show up here as being the previous years, but you'll just want to make sure that your current year is at your current school. I hope this was a helpful video. If you have any questions about this or you need help editing your school information, please reach out to any of the Crosby Scholars staff members. We are happy to help make these edits or answer any specific questions that you might have. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you soon.